This is Brooks. She likes to play golf as much as I do. Brooks, you ready to play golf? You ready to play golf, huh? Are you ready? What do you gotta do? You gotta sit. Sit, sit, sit. Hey, Brooks, you got to sit, Brooks. You gotta sit, Brooks. Come on, let's do it again, Brooks. Over here. Over here, right here. Let's do it again. Okay, I'll get it right there. Are you ready? What you gotta do? Sit. Brooks, sit. Good girl. Let's play some golf. Give me the ball. We'll do it again. Bring it over here. Over here. Bring it to me. That's good. That's good. You want me to hit it again? Okay. Here we go. Ready? What you gotta do first? Stay there. Good girl. Now stay sitting? Okay. Brooks, you got to stay sitting.